Just a very quick room tour of room 2306 at Oasia Novena in Singapore. So as you come through the door, on the right hand side you've got a wardrobe with gowns, ironing board, iron and some slippers. The next one along we have a double wardrobe, and in this wardrobe we've got hangers, extra pillows. We've got cupboards with all sorts of things in. There's a safe in one of them, shoe cleaning kit, and etc. with a safe in that drawer. We then have, I'll just close that cupboard. We then have next to that another cupboard here, empty. We have tea and coffee facilities here with ice bucket, espresso, coffee, all the bits and bobs here. I'm sorry it's almost empty because we've been here a few days. Completely forgot to do this until today, which is why it's a bit of a rush. So underneath that we have the mini fridge, which again is empty. Then we have a lovely big telly on the wall. I'll see if I move back a little bit so you can see the telly, big telly. Suitcases ready, we're just packed ready for our cruise. Right in the corner there, next up on a chair, looks like a desk type arrangement with views out over Singapore through there. I think that one there is the Marriott courtyard directly in front of us. This desk has got drawers in it, a couple of drawers in there. Then next to the bed, some nice big bed. Next to the bed we've got various fittings with a TV, remote control there. We've got electric blinds and louvres which go up and down, yeah, electrically I guess. That side we've got more light fittings and things, and the air conditioning unit. Then into the bathroom we have a sink, lovely big mirror. We have a bath, a toilet, there's the bath, and then we also have products on the wall and a big rainfall shower. I'm sorry this is a bit rushed, but we've now got to leave to go off to get on our cruise ship.